It's like Muppets, but better.
Hey, Major, it's Sheen here. Welcome to day 11 of the 13 days of my birthday.
Why are you small? Because I am awesome. Guess what? 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 What?
Okay, well, on the end, I have a mustache.
Yes, it's very official and... Hey, George, get over here. You need to clean your room. No, I won't do it. Hey, where'd everybody go? They're gone.
George, how are we going to survive in space?
I'm going to teleport to outside. It worked.
Hey, guess what? I can teleport! Okay, let's teleport to... space!
Yeah, you'll never find me down here.
Dude, I can see you right now.
Okay, well, on the end, I have a mustache. So, George, what are we going to be talking about today?
Well, first of all, we're going to be talking about space.
I hate space!
Check the teleporter.
11-sack movies.
I'm going to teleport us to space.